Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to compute for the outstanding balance about sa loan. So let's start with the formula. Ang formula na gagamitin natin dito para mahanap yung outstanding balance ay P is equal to R. At yung sa numerator part, meron tayong 1 minus the quantity 1 plus J to the negative exponent na quantity N minus K over mo ng J. So, ano ba yung mga variables na yun? Let's find out. So, P is the outstanding balance. R naman, that will be the payment. So, R yung payment, yun yung binabayad niya kada buwan. Kung nakalagay sa question ay kada buwan or kada taon. Depends. Basta yung amount of money na binabayad. Next one, J is equal to I over M. Okay, ano ba yung J? So, I over M yan. So, ang I natin ay rate. So, 20%, 30%, 15%, some percent. And you have to change it to decimal form. At ang M naman will be frequency and I will discuss it later. Mapakita ko sa inyo sa next slide. Ang N naman, itong N na to is equal to M times T. So, again, M is equal to, yung M ay frequency, na times mo sa T, which is time. O, time natin palagi nakadepend sa years. K is the end payment. Kung first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So, kung first siya, syempre 1. Kung fifth, edi 5. Yun yung value ng K. So, let's find out kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng M. So, frequency M. So, pag sinabing sa problem annually, so 1 siya, ang M mo ay 1. Semi-annually, then ang M mo ay 2. Quarterly naman, that will be 4. Monthly ay 12. Weekly naman ay 52. At daily ay 365. Let's have the first example. Mr. Santos have taken a loan from the bank that offers an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. So, ito na yung rate natin. Ito na yung frequency. His monthly amortization for 10 years is 15,000 pesos. How much is the outstanding balance after the 8 payment? So, lagay mo lahat ng mga given mo. So, R natin dito, yung binabayad niya daw every month. Is monthly amortization nga, di ba? 15,000 pesos. Ang I natin, yung rate ay 12%. T is 10 or 10 years. K is equal to 8 kasi 8. So, M is equal to 12. Pag monthly, that will be 12. Ang J naman natin, para mahanap ang J, that will be I over M at ang N is equal to MT. Now, palitan mo muna yung 12% into decimal form. That will be 0.12. Pag napalitan mo na, pwede mo na makita yung J. So, J is equal to 0.12 over mo ng 12. Kasi I over M. So, simplify mo yung J. So, that will be 0.01. At para mahanap naman yung M, that will be M times T. At ang M natin ay 12. At ang T naman, that will be 10. So, that will be, okay, like that. 120. So, dahil kompleto na tayo, nandiyan yung R, yung I, T, K, M, J, N. Kompleto na tayo sa mga given. We can now place the formula. So, ito na yung formula natin. And substitute the values. Okay, so check natin. R, 15,000 yan. Ang J natin, that will be 0.01. And that will be 120. At ang K, that will be 8. Substitute natin. Okay, ito na siya. Ngayon, if you're going to solve it, kailangan sa calculator nyo, may gagamit talaga kayo ng brackets. So, make sure tama yung pagkalagay nyo, as in ganito. So, ang sagot natin dito ay 1 million pesos. Tapos, okay, 1,007,850.107. Or, pwede mo na lang siyang i-round up. So, kasi pesos tayo, so magiging, ito na lang siya, 1,007,850.11. Let's move on to example number 2. Teddy borrowed some money from a bank that offers an interest rate of 10% compounded semi-annually His monthly amortization for 5 years is 30,000 pesos. How much is the outstanding balance after the ninth payment? So, lagay mo naman yung mga given. So, R is equal to 30,000 pesos. I is equal to 0.10. So, sinange ko na. Binago ko na. T is 5 years. K is equal to 9 kasi ninth. M is equal to 2 semi-annually. So, pag semi-annually tayo, that will be 2. J is equal to I over M at N is equal to MT. So, J daw natin ay I over M. So, that will be 0.10 over 2. So, that will be 0.05. Ang N naman natin ay M times T. So, that will be 2 times mo ng 5. That will be 10. Okay. So, dahil okay na tayo, bigyan na natin yung formula. So, R natin ay 30,000 pesos. Ang J natin ay 0.05. N natin ay 10. This is 10. At ang K natin, that will be 9. Ang J natin, that will be 0.05. So, let's substitute. Okay, so pagaligin siya sa calcu, dapat as is ganito, may mga brackets. So, the final answer will be 28,571.43. So, yung outstanding balance niya, after niya makabayad na, after the ninth payment, ay ito na lang, 28,571.43. And that's the end of the lesson on how to compute for the outstanding balance pagdating sa loan. If you would like to suggest another math and language video, or kung may kailangan kayo ng help sa assignment nyo, I'll do my best naman para sagutin yan. As long as related siya sa topic. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification para updated kayo sa bagong videos ng math and language. Thank you and goodbye!